How's it going? We're south of Iowa City on the job site. Again, we've been here a few times. We have a program that updates us with photographs every day. I checked my email, saw a ton of progress. That'd be great to come out here and give you an update on what's going on. So we're gonna head on inside. We're gonna just see how everything looks from the outside first. They've got most of the siding on now. They've got a porch. The porch is framed in, covered. Last time it was just open. Can't wait to see this. So we're inside the garage. The metal ceiling is up. You can see all the spray foam on the walls. It's just really looking good. So here's a detail when we do metal siding on the interior walls. An option that we have that we typically do if we're going to be lining the walls is to cover this entire interior of the opening with a nice flat metal. So the garage door tracks will fasten here. When it's all installed, it's just a super clean look. So we have the interior of these windows are all trimmed out and installed. Looks like really good workmanship here. We trimmed the jamb with a metal trim, then a J-channel. This is all ready for the metal siding to be installed as soon as our guys return. This is more of a residential style. We sometimes get doors, usually from a company called Plyco that supplies a ton of metal doors for post-frame buildings. It's not a steel door. Either way is fine, but this one just has a more of that residential look and feel to it. We're gonna come from the garage into the residential section. Today we have framers that are working. Let's go in and take a look how things are going. I just wanted to recap on the installation again. So this building is a little bit unique. As we said, it's going to have R28 total installation value. So the first layer is 2 inches of closed cell. So you can see this is a very solid closed cell insulation spray foam. Now that we have these stud walls installed, we're going to be able to come back and shoot it with 3.5 inches of open cell. Now that open cell will add to the R value, the climate control, but it's also going to help with the road noise and the acoustics of the building as well. So here you can kind of see how we go about doing the framing in a post-frame structure. Not too much different than conventional construction. We're just simply lining the perimeter with stud walls. It's really nice to do it this way versus horizontal girts. It's a lot more friendly for things like hanging cabinets, hanging things on the walls, and putting drywall on. So at this point, it's not going to be too much different than conventional construction. It's going to have a floor system installed when it's all said and done. So there's going to be some 2-story, very common in these structures where you have a mezzanine area that overlooks a wide open area. So you can kind of see it coming together. We have the ceiling system is all stripped out. We have 2x6s installed, joist hangers, and it'll be ready for the drywall here before too long. So we'll have to come back and check that out. I'm really excited to see that. That's when it really starts to come to life. Hey, muy rápido, yo tengo una pregunta por tú. ¿Qué estás haciendo ahora?
Sacando un layout para los patios de piso.
Okay, ¿cómo está el trabajo vando por tú? Bueno. All right, gracias. Here, it's pretty common. You see it in most houses. It's a sliding patio door. It's installed. This will give good access to the porch, which we're gonna walk out and just take a quick look at. There's a ton of progress on the porch. We love the big wraparound porches because it just gives so much character to the building, so many areas to hang out, to enjoy the views, and to create memories. This one, we use cedar posts, and they sit on a concrete pier. This is a special bracket that's designed to sit on the pier. Once the concrete floor is poured, it'll all be flush and everything will just be nice and clean. Trim everything out with a lot of detail. We have all the trim work is cut around the header. You can see up here, looks like the guys did a great job. All the cuts and everything fits really good. It's really super clean. That's what we want to see. I think the porch detail from here is really cool as you step back. Call that an intermediate gable. Just kind of where we put a little gable into the porch, valley it in, just gives it some more character. I'm Matt Greiner. Thanks for coming out to visit. I hope you're learning a lot that you can apply to your build. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call or send us an email or inquiry at Greiner Buildings. Visit us at www.greinerbuildings.com. Like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all those things. We're gonna keep this content coming to you. Really cool looking structure. Can't wait to see the next phase of progress, and look forward to seeing you all then too.